Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is spherical marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeters are dropped into a cylindrical beaker. Okay. So marbles are in the shape of a sphere. Spherical marbles. Okay. So spherical marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeters. So that means radius of the spherical marble is 0.7 centimeters. Okay. So radius is half of the diameter. So radius of the spherical marble is 0.7 centimeters. So these spherical marbles are dropped into a cylindrical beaker. Here given in the question that spherical marbles are dropped into the cylindrical beaker. So beaker is in the shape of cylinder. Okay. So the diameter of the cylinder is given that 7 centimeters. Okay. Cylindrical beaker of diameter 7 centimeters is given. Then radius is half of diameter. So radius equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Okay. So find the number of marbles such that to be dropped into the beaker so that the water level rises by 5.6 centimeters. Okay. So we have to find the number of marbles that should be dropped into the beaker so that the water level rises by 5.6 centimeters. Okay. So let the water level be, initial level of the water be in this position. So by dropping the spherical marble, the water level is raised by 5.6 centimeters. So that means from here to here its height be 5.6 centimeters. Okay. So we have to find the number of marbles dropped into the vessel. Okay. So let n number of marbles are dropped into the vessel. Then the volume of this n number of marbles is equal to the volume of water level rising in the beaker. Okay. So let's first write the given data. Given dimensions of sphere. Okay. Here sphere is marble. Okay. So diameter D is given that 1.4 centimeters. Okay. It implies that radius that are equal to 1.4 by 2 centimeters. That means 0.7 centimeters is the radius of the sphere. And the cylinder dimensions. Cylindrical vessel dimensions. So diameter D equal to 7 centimeters given. It implies the radius small r equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Okay. So given that the water level is raised by 5.6 centimeters. Okay. So given that water level is raised by 5.6 centimeters in the cylindrical vessel. Okay. So it implies that height of water riser equal to 5.6 centimeters. Okay. It implies the h equal to, you can take it as 5.6 centimeters. Okay. So now, since the marbles are dropped into the vessel, the volume of n marbles equal to volume of water level rise. Okay. Let us take the n number of marbles are dropped into the vessel. Okay. So let n number of marbles are dropped into the vessel, into the cylindrical beaker or vessel. Okay. Beaker. So then volume of n marbles equal to volume of the water raised in the cylinder. Okay. So height of the water raised equal to 5.6 centimeters. That means height h equal to 5.6 centimeters for this volume. Okay. So now, so volume of n marbles, it implies that n into volume of each marble equal to volume of cylinder. Okay. So for which the water is raised. It implies that n into, so volume of marble, that means volume of sphere formula we know that 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Okay. That implies that pi gets cancelled here. Okay. So n into 4 by 3 into r cube. So capital R here is 0.7 centimeters. Okay, 0.7 centimeters whole cube equal to small r square h. So r square here is r is 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2 centimeters whole square into h. H value is height of the water level raised is 5.6 centimeters. It implies that n into 4 by 3 into, so 0.7 centimeters whole cube. So 0.7 can be written as 7 by 10. Okay, so 7 by 10 whole cube, that means 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. So centimeters cube, that means cubic centimeters, equal to 7 by 2 whole square, that means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, 5.6 centimeters. So 5.6 can be written as 56 by 10. Okay. So centimeters square into centimeter, that means cubic centimeters. So cubic centimeters gets cancelled. And now n equal to 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 56 by 10. So this 4 by 3 comes to the right side and becomes as 3 by 4. Similarly 7 by 10 shift to the right side and becomes as 10 by 7. Okay, and numerator and denominator are interchanged. Okay, 10 by 7 again 10 by 7. So 7 by 10 comes and becomes as 10 by 7. 7 by 10 comes and becomes as 10 by 7. Okay, so now 10 gets cancelled. 1 7 1 7 and 7 7 15. 7 1 ja 7 8 ja 56. Okay. 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 8. 2 gets cancelled. Okay, now 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. So 3 into 5 into 10 is remaining. 3 into 5 into 10 is remaining. So t plus n equal 3 5 ja 15. 15 10 ja is 150. So n value is 150. So 150 marbles are dropped into the cylindrical beaker such that the water level is raised by 5.6 centimeters. So this is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. Okay, the next question is, a pen stand is made of wood in the shape of a cuboid with 3 conical depressions to hold the pens. Okay, so a pen stand is made in the shape of a cuboid. So pen stand is in the shape of a cuboid with 3 conical depressions. So that means 3 conical depressions are cutted from the cuboid. Okay, with 3 conical depressions. So these conical depressions are to hold the pens. Okay, we can hold the pens in this conical depression in this shape. So the dimensions of the cuboid are given. Okay, length is 15 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters, and height is 3.5 centimeters. Okay, length into breadth into height is given. The radius of each of the depression. So radius of cone is given and depth is 1.4. That means depth here. So nothing but height of the cone is 1.4 centimeters given. So find the volume of wood in the entire stand. We have to find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So in order to find the volume of wood in the entire stand, we have to subtract the volume of these 3 cones from the volume of cuboid. Okay. So first write the given dimensions. Cuboid. So given cuboid dimensions, length equal to length by breadth by height. Okay, length is 15 centimeters by height is 10 centimeters, and breadth is 10 centimeters and height is 3.5 centimeters. Okay, so length is called 15, breadth equal to 10 centimeters, height equal to 3.5 centimeters. Next, dimensions of cone. Okay, so radius r is given that radius of the conical depression is 0.5 centimeters and height of the conical depression, that means depth is 1.4. Here given the depth is 1.4, that means height of this cone is 1.4 centimeters. Okay, so given that conical depressions are made from the cuboid. Okay, given that conical depressions, so given that pen stand is in the shape of cuboid, in the shape of a cuboid with 3 conical depressions. Okay, so that means find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. We have to find. Okay, so volume of wood in the entire stand equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of 3 cones. So therefore volume of wood in the stand, okay, in the entire stand, volume of cuboid minus volume of 3 conical depressions. Okay. So volume of cuboid, you know that volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So minus volume of conical depressions. Volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. So since there are 3 conical depression into 3 we are multiplying. Okay. So 3 gets cancelled. Now length into breadth into height, that means here length is 15 into 10 into 3.5. Okay. 15 into 10 into 3.5. So centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, that means cubic centimeters minus. So pi r square. So pi value you can take it as 22 by 7 into r square. So r value here is 0.5 centimeters. Okay. So 0.5 centimeters whole square into h value is 1.4 centimeters. Okay. So 10 into 3.5, that means 35. You can this point shift point it to the right side. Okay. So 15 into 35 centimeters cube minus 22 by 7 into, so 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10. Okay. So 0.5 whole square, that means 5 by 10 into 5 by 10. Okay. Into 1.4 can be written as 14 by 10. So centimeter square into centimeter, that means cubic centimeters. Okay. Now 7 ones are 7 twos are gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 gets cancelled. Okay. And 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 ones are 2 11s are. So 11 by 10 centimeters cube. Okay. So 15 into 35. 15 into 35 centimeters cube minus 11 by 10 centimeters cube. So 35 into 15 minus 5 5 is 25, 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. So 35. 5 to 8. So 525 cubic centimeters minus 11 by 10. So 11 by 10, that means 1.1 cubic centimeters. Okay. So 525.0 minus 1.1. If we take 10 as borrow, 9 will be given. 4 minus 1 is 3. 523.9 cubic centimeters. So this is the volume of the entire stand. Okay.